Okay, I wanted to do this video to answer a couple questions about how I do my eyes, and try to do it so it's kind of close up where you can see it. I've just got a scrap block of butternut that I'm going to do this eye on. And all I've done is I've just kind of rounded this corner down a little bit. I'll just carve it on the corner to make it easier, but the process will be the exact same on a flat side. What you'll want is this on the flat. If you're actually carving the face, it's going to be round from the middle to either side. So that's kind of what this represents here. And just kind of even this out a little bit. So basically, what I've got is the bridge of the nose, which would be right in here. Okay. I'm not going to carve the nose, but there's the nose right there. It would go ahead and go on somewhere down in there. Okay. So the first thing I want to do is figure out how his eyes are going to be. He's going to have a mean look? He's going to have a normal look? And typically I just kind of sketch it in. Is he sad? Is he surprised? Now there's many different ways to carve eyes, but that's just kind of how I do it. Is this the kind of look that you're looking for, or however you're going to make expressions. Okay. So in my sketch it'd be something similar to that. Now on the smaller pieces I'm using smaller tools, but for this example I'm using a little bit bigger tools. So if I've got this nose started, first thing I want to do is I just want to come up in here on the side of the nose. See, I've kind of hollowed that out a little bit. I'll do this other side just to kind of show you. And then you can go in there and really define that bridge a little bit more. And then put that pencil mark back in there. And typically what I would do is I would go back in with a smaller U. Set the other side. That's basically setting the top of the eyelid. I'm going to take my knife and go back in it, right along the bottom of it. clean that up. Go ahead and draw in the upper eyelid. We'll use a V-tool on this one now. It's going to come down past the corner. Use my knife again. It's the bottom of the eye. This is the part that I would round off and go over here in the corner. Take those pieces out first, little triangular shape. And do the corner over here as well. And then you want to round that off so it's not, don't have any flat edges. You want to push it back in so it's not sticking out of the eye. And give him some bags under his eyes if you want, depending on if he's old or not. Just want to tuck that up underneath there. Right along the side. Now you can take these corners fairly deep so you can get a shadow in there. Kind of pull that eyeball underneath that upper eyelid there. Just make sure you get it nice and rounded so it's nice and smooth. And you can have him looking up. So if you're going to paint it, this is where you would stop. If you're going to do, I think the term for that is a negative eye, where you're not going to paint it. Probably have to go to grab one of my set of smaller tools here. Just going to use a U-gouge. Basically, I'm just going to stick that in there. Typically I don't do a eye like this all the time, but tuck that underneath there some more. And here in the corner, you just want to give him some. So there's the eye. On butternut, I just put a little bit of Howard's Feed and Wax on it. Of course, I'd erase all the pencil marks, but there it is. Hope this answers some of your questions. Let me know.